I have in front of me a high gain UHF Masthead Amplifier. This has an output of up to 25 dB gain, and it's a two-way version. It's available with low cost small parcel shipping directly from freetv.ie, and the application we'd have for it here is if we wanted to use it in conjunction with a power unit, it'll power this Masthead amplifier to give a much higher gain on our UHF aerial, particularly used if we were in areas where we have weak signal. One of the advantages of this particular unit is that it's got a 4G ready filter built into it, so it's filtering out the LTE signal that's coming with the new 4G range of phones and mass. It's a brand name, it's from Mercury, okay? So what I'll do is I'll just give an overview of exactly what you're going to receive, and I'll talk a little bit more in detail about the specifications on it, etc. So this is the outer box that comes in here. There's a user manual that's in English, and there's this little tie wrap here that comes with the unit. What I'm going to do is just close this down fully here, and we can see it's clipped in here, and it's sort of water sealed all around. So if we go to open it, it can be a little bit tricky. Just clip one side, and then I'll squeeze very hard, and I'll just open this side here as well, and just opens up. So for ease of accessing here, instead of being satellite clamp, it's very cool. It's an F connector, and it hinges here, so you can actually get access in. So we would feed our UHF aerial in here. So we can imagine this would be mounted normally about 1 meter below the UHF aerial on our pole. And what we do then is we'd have the cables that run from underneath here. And the reason it's important to run the cables down and back up into it is simply you don't want the water to follow the cable directly into it. So the cables are always running down coming out of it. And then what we have here is, one of these is marked as 12 volt input. So this could be going to a power unit that's connected directly to a TV, or maybe a power unit that's in an attic. And a great feature of this is there's actually a spare port here. So if we're coming along, running an area, putting an aerial in, and there's two rooms in the house we needed to run cables directly to, we can run it directly from here without the need to use the splitter. And because we bought this thing at a very, very good price and all the rest of it, it's only marginally more expensive to buy this than a single output one. So it really complements our range quite well. The overall build on it's very, very good. And the other thing here is to note is the rubber seal here as well. And this is really what's allowing us to get the cables in without compromising the unit at all in terms of exposure to water and the weather conditions. So we can just see in the back here, this is where they grip onto the pole, and the tie wrap can simply go around there. So overall, we're very, very happy with this unit. Sits extremely well with the range. And the great thing about Masthead amplifiers power units, you can have different brands mixed, all the rest of it here. And Masthead amplifiers are very, very effective at boosting signal. If you had a hazy signal, if you were in a margin type of area, using a Masthead amplifier in a power unit like this would be very, very effective for solving your problem. So that's it anyway, an overview of the high gain Masthead amplifier with 2 outputs available on freetv.ie.